In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone unavailable without losing data. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the iPhone unavailable screen is a security measure that triggers after too many incorrect passcode attempts. And the honest answer is you can't bypass this screen and keep your data unless you remember the correct passcode or unless you have a backup. Apple security is designed to erase the key to your data if the passcode is lost. However, depending on your situation, you can still get your data back. So if you recently changed your passcode within the last 72 hours and forgot the new one, iOS 17 through 19 allows a grace period. So tap the forgot passcode at the bottom of the unavailable screen and then just enter the previous passcode and then enter the old passcode you were using before the change. And this is going to unlock the phone instantly without losing any data. If the timer is visible, for example, if you see a message like try again in 15 minutes, don't keep guessing because after every wrong attempt, the timer basically increases up to 8 hours. And if you reach 10 failed attempts, the phone might go into permanent lockout or auto erase. So wait for the timer to hit 0 and then enter the correct password. And that's the only way to keep your data. And if there is no data, what you want to do is tap forgot passcode, start iPhone reset, and then enter your Apple account password to wipe the phone. And then you can restore it using iCloud backup because that's going to be one of the options that it gives you once you factory reset it. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.